Hello Earth Livings! In this video I will try to bypass anti-cheating. If I open Cheat Engine, then HackGuard pops up, and this thing bothers creating cheat easily. So let's disable it. First let's start game, and then process hacker, and suspend, news.txt. Now it's time for Cheat Engine to step in. Open process, and in memory view press Ctrl+G and type user32.messagebox.a, then press F5 to set breakpoint, and set breakpoint in message box W2. Now we can resume it and press F7 4 times when it breaks, and go to EBP+4 address and hex view. Now type first 4 bytes backward to get return address. Scroll a little bit up and you can see jump if equal that we want to make jump. Now let's start new Win32C++ project. I'll name it battle_flyff_bot, and make it empty console application. I prefer multi-byte character set, and not to include some weird files, so I'm just setting them to no. Now press right mouse to source files and add new item, and select C++ file. I'll name it main.cpp. There was something with recording that's fixed now. Anyway, to find window, type in uppercase HWND and lowercase hwnd equals find window A. First parameter is 0 and second window title. Now test it by if HWND. And now we need to include standard input and output library, to print else condition if window haven't found. So let's printf can't find flyff window. And if it prints else condition we need program to stay open, so let's type system command pause. Now if window is found let's get its process ID, to open process. To do it we can use Windows API, get window thread process ID, that exchanges process ID with window handle. After that let's open process that returns handle. Now I need internet help, to get desired flags to open process, and desired flags will be, process VM operation and process VM read, and process VM write. Second and third parameters are 0 and process ID. Now test handle by, if, handle, and printf can't open process, if condition is false. Damn, and always some mistypes happens. Anyway let's make new unsigned long base underscore address. Now add new header file named, summoner.h. In a type, #ifndef uppercase summoner underscore h. Press new line and, #define summoner underscore h. And finally hashtag and if. I'll paste pre-made get underscore module definition. Also make new CPP file name that fits you the best. In their type, hashtag include summoner.h. And include windows.h and tlhelp32.h2. I'll copy get underscore module function to here. So you just pause and write it. Now include summoner.h to main.cpp2. So we can continue to write bot. Now let's call get underscore module and parameters will be process ID and news.txt. So it returns flyff base address. Select jump if equals line in memory view to see its offset better. Commenting a little, that I almost never do. Now type, if, right, process, memory, and parameters are handle, and, address where we want to write bytes. An address has to be in 32, so we just typecast it, lp void. Third parameter is, bytes we want to write, in this case only UB, and size of bytes, that is 1, and last one leave 0, equals uppercase true. If condition is true, then let user know, by, printf bypassed anti-cheat engine. Finally press F7, or click from menu debug, build, to build cheat. Whoa, seems I missed something again, like always. And there it is, I missed semicolon at the end. Let's build it again, and close flyff to start it again, because it's frozen. Now, digging around to find where Visual C++ Express builded my cheat. Ding, dong, ding, dong. Cheat tells all good but is it true too? If cheat engine is open 3 seconds it's true. Seems all good. Bye bye, and always, have a nice time.